Yeah. So rule number 3 is saying simply that you are going to change the verbs and the helping verb as well. Helping verb and verb both are the same. Why same? Verb, both are the verbs. So helping verb and verb, in this same rule, we are going to change both of them. Now, one more thing you have to remember, that whenever you are changing the verb, it should come in another form. For example, can will become could, shall will become should, will become would. Now you'll be thinking, अरे यार meaning तो change नहीं हो जाएगा, shall के बदले में should लगा रहा हूँ मैं. No, it doesn't matter with it, because the first rule of direct indirect speech, it was common sense. So we have to use our common sense, and according to common sense, we are going to make sentences over here. Is that clear? So point number 1 is what you are going to change the verbs only. As you can see here, yesterday I will also explain you. I'm explaining once again over here. I do my homework. So do is the verb, and you are going to change the verb. For example, if I'm saying now in the present time, if I say that I do my work, you are meeting your friend in the afternoon, or suppose you are meeting the next day or later on maybe. So you are going to tell them that, yeah, he said that he did his work. So my will become his, as you know well that pronouns will change, and do will become did there. For example, I do my work. मैं मेरा काम करता हूँ. I'm doing my work, so it will become he did his work. So it will become past according to the situation, according to the time. Next one, she feels hungry. She feels hungry. We can say there that she said that she felt hungry. It will become past. So present will become past. So you have to change the verb. Next one, the main thing is coming over here with your modal auxiliary verbs. For example, may. And remember, everything is not going to change in direct indirect speech. Direct indirect speech, everything will not change. Means what? If you are thinking that each and every sentence should be like that, so it doesn't matter with it. Okay, so I may teach you grammar tomorrow. If I say this one, I may teach you grammar tomorrow, means it is the sentence of possibility. So you can say he said that he might teach grammar tomorrow. So this is what exactly may will become might. Okay, or if you are saying the same sentence, even it is correct, it is not wrong, it is still correct if you are saying the same sentence again. For example, he said he may teach grammar. It is also correct, no problem at all. Means what? Suppose you are talking to me on the phone, and in front of you your friend is sitting there. So you are asking क्या बोल रहा है वो बाद में क्या बोल रहा है बाबा वो आदमी. So you can say he said that he will teach grammar tomorrow, or he may teach grammar tomorrow, or he might teach grammar tomorrow. Ola correct. It is according to you. How do you present yourself in front of others? Now let me tell you one more thing. The moment when you are talking about indirect speech in Hindi, Marathi, or any other language, do you feel anything else apart from that? Means what? Do you put there some grammar rules? Generally not. You are saying according to yourself. According to yourself. As you can see, the media people are what? Just for the TRP and all. They, what do they do? What do they do? For their fame, उनके अपने खुद के fame के लिए, what do? They try to reconstruct and rebuild the sentences. They play
Yes.
with the sentences. It is the same sentence, but they play with it. They try to
Yes.
play with it. And what do they do? Now, for example, I'll show you. It is a very cheap example, but still we are learning from it something. So learning is more important, rather than that movie or that song or that cheapness thing. Forget the cheapness, but we are learning something here. That's the most important thing. Now, if you go through Bollywood, you will find there the Kajol is there, right? And who's
Yes.
her?
Yes, sir.
Kajol's husband?
Ajay
Ajay Dev.
Devgan.
Ajay Devgan is her husband, correct? Now, I don't know where sometime they had some movie together. I don't know about it much, but there was a movie song was there. अजनब तू मुझे अजनबी लगा ऐसा कुछ तो भी something is there. मुझे अजनबी बताया ऐसा कुछ तो भी है. So that they have given a good line over there. That line is more important for us, not neither the song nor the actress. If you see, they have given the line that अजनबी मुझको
अजनबी
तो ऐसा
मुझको
बताओ
इतना
कि मुझे
बता,
अजनबी लगा. हाँ ऐसा कुछ तो
दिल
भी
मेरा
सॉन्ग है वो.
परेशान क्यों है, ऐसा गाना है कुछ तो.
Ha, something like that. So if you see, they had given a tagline over there that how did Kajal felt so a stranger to Ajay Devgan. People will say, oh my God, what the hell? काजल को क्या हो गया, अपने हस्बैंड को स्ट्रेंजर बोल रही है. भाई कुछ दाल में काला दिख रहा है. So this is what exactly people are going to watch it. People are going to read it. अरे यार something is there. I've just posted some time ago. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने एक पोस्ट किया हूँ. अभी just मैं लिखा हूँ थोड़ी देर पहले उसको बैठकर. What I'm talking about public speaking. I'm just teaching people that what do you have, just express in front of the whole world. You're going to learn, you're going to earn. Handsome, very handsome. That's what public speaking. I have given the title, the line, the tagline was starting, the line was there of the article that I wish if I would live, sorry, if I wish I would have this quality, means I knew this before, I would
Yes.
live king size life. So मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से जिंदगी गुजार सकता था. Means what, I'm just inspiring people that what you have in your side, means in with you, with yourself. So just get it back on the social media and perform it. Now tell me one more thing. You have at least one quality. अरे जिंदगी में कोई एक अच्छा तो काम किया रहेगा ना, कोई एक अच्छी सोच तो रहेगी. भले से कितने छपरी हैं अपन, पर एक तो अच्छी सोच रहेगी ना अपने पास में. We might have at least one good thought with us, so we are going to share with the people. That's it. That's called public speaking. So I was writing about the public speaking, so I'm just telling you how the tagline is working over there. Before that also, I have written many of the articles, and those are the articles I have given. For example, your experience may kill you. I have written this article before, and the see the tagline was what? Your experience may destroy you, your experience may spoil you, your experience may kill you. Oh my god, my experience is going to kill me? How? People are going to read it. Yeah, something is written there. अरे हाँ, कुछ तो लिखा है बंदे ने, कुछ तो है बंदा. So this is what exactly are you going to talk about your direct indirect speech over here that the person is telling you. Now, for example, अभी कितनी बार ऐसा होता है? अभी कितनी बार ऐसा होता है? Yesterday, not yesterday actually, in the last week actually, last Sunday, what happened? There's a man, and I helped him 1.5 years ago. Since 2018, I've been helping him. And in 2020, just now, in the last week, what's happened? I told him to get back his sofa from my house. मेरे पुराना जो घर है मेरा, वहाँ पर उसका सोफा रखा हुआ था मैंने. उसका घर बन रहा था, घर मतलब कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहा था वो. He was building his house. So I kept his sofa with me. Why? Because he was not having space in his home. So that day, I told him, said that can you please get that sofa outside, out of my home, because I need to do paintings and all, because after lockdown I washed it. So I need to do paintings and other stuffs as well. And my other work was also pending. So I have to get some material for shooting and all. So what did he reply me directly? That एक काम करता, मैं उसको लेकर जाता, वहां से बाहर फेंक देता. मैं बोला तुम्हारी चीजें बाहर फेंको, कचरे में डालो, कुछ भी करो. The way you are talking to me, आज तक मेरे साथ ऐसी किसी ने बात नहीं किया. So this is what the way what I have taken his sound. So you have to express your own thoughts and own ideas in your own way while speaking about indirect speech. Remember this, my terminology. Someone is saying like this. So how are you going to tune it? For example, I will not give you this tomorrow. Means I will not give you this chocolate. अब मैं हंसकर बोल रहा हूँ, so you can say we can say he sarcasticized that he will not give a chocolate, or he made fun that he will not get a chocolate, or he warned that he will not he will not give a chocolate. दोनों में फर्क है. दोनों में फर्क है. He made fun that he will not he will not give a chocolate, and he warned and he expressed his anger that he will not give a chocolate. सामने वाले के ऊपर है, दोनों में सेंटेंस करेक्ट है. मैंने खाली इतना बोला आई विल नॉट गिव अ चॉकलेट. अब मैंने कैसे बोला वो मेरे ऊपर है, और सामने वाले के ऊपर है कि वो उसको कैसे बड़ा चढ़ा कर बोल रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके इधर भी झगड़े होते हैं ना घर में. आपको सामने वाले ने बोला हम लोग तुम्हारी शादी में नहीं आ रहे. हंसकर बोला उन्होंने, हालांकि रास्ते में थे. और अपन ने जाके क्या बोले उधर घर पे, उन लोग तो बोले हम लोग तुम्हारे जैसे छपरी लोगों के शादी में नहीं आते. हाँ, चाची ऐसा बोली. रुक, हेलो चाची, तुम्हारा खानदान मारो, तुम मारो, तुम मारो, तुम मारो, सब कुछ मर जाओ उधर. आज के बाद कभी मुंह दिखाना मत, जाओ, गुड बाय. अरे हम लोग तो चौक में थे. हाँ, क्यों आ रहे, क्या आ रहे थे तुम शादी को, किसकी वजह? Because of one line that's called indirect speech. So how are you going? It doesn't matter. You have to use your common sense. Same case, I may teach you grammar. He said that he might teach us grammar, or I can say I may teach you grammar. Oh, we can say he mentioned. उसने mention किया. Or he promised. But promise ज़्यादा मजा नहीं आएगा because मैं लिखा हुआ है. मैं कर सकता हूँ. Okay? Or he intended to teach grammar. He intended that he might teach grammar. Okay? She may assist me. वो मुझे मदद कर सकती हैं. He predicted that she might assist him. Yes or no? वो मुझे शायद मदद कर सकती है मैडम. तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ oh he
Yes.
predicted that she might assist him. इसने predict किया ऐसा कि वो उसको मदद कर सकती हैं. Next, Zainab may call Noman. She said that she might call Noman. नाम के साथ में भी बना सकते हैं. Mujahid may collaborate with Faizan. So may बहुत हो गया ना. Mujahid can collaborate with Faizan. Ansar said that Mujahid could collaborate with Faizan. Next, I can have a shower. Or I will have a shower. He said he
would have a shower.
very good. He would have a shower. I shall meet you. She said that she should meet me. May I have your address? He asked. He might have my address. May I have some information? He inquired. Might he have some information? Now two sentences are coming here. May I come for the session? He asked if he could come for the session, or he asked, could he come for the session? Dono bhi correct hai. They look at me in awe. He wondered that they look at him in awe. He wondered if they look at him in awe. I used to work there. He said that he used to work there. It will be the same. It will be the same because it is only for past tense. It is used only for past tense. We can use can for. So bhai log. When do we, in what tense do we use can?
Present and future.
Present and future. Present and future. And when do we use could?
Past, present and future.
Correct. Past, present, and future. And when do we use used to?
For past only.
Only for past. That's why we are going to have here like this only. We don't need to change it anymore. He said that he used to work there. That's it. Don't park here. This is what from my side. You can give like this. It was prohibited to park there. Don't smoke. So it was warned to smoke. It was warned not to smoke actually. Don't smoke likha na maine. It was warned not to smoke. Okay. Let's go. So I want you to make some sentences like this and try to give me some great sentences that will blow up my mind as well. Let's see how good are you making sentences. Yes. Mr. Adnan, please give Mr. Shakir.
I can, I will.
He said that he could.
Ideological.
Yeah, continue.
Sorry. Ideological.
Chalo next, Shakir bhai. I agree.
I can cut the cake.
He
Very
said
good.
that he could cut the cake.
Very good.
She can manage with it.
Correct. Yes. Miss Shreya.
नोटपैड में नाम डालो सबके वहाँ.
अरे बाप रे, बाप रे, बाप रे, बाप रे. Miss Shreya.
Yes, so she said she could manage with it.
Next.
I can read this book in 1 hour.
She said that she could read this book in 1 hour.
Next. Amir.
She can destroy her life.
Very good. Adnan, answer her.
What, sir?
Answer
She
her.
can destroy your life.
She can destroy your life.
She said she could destroy my life.
Very good. Remember this, huh? Next one, Shakir. Ask Shakir. Continue.
I do my work properly.
He said that he did his work properly.
Please don't say said. Instead of saying said, you can use some other words.
Yes.
Next, ask Sania.
Mm, he can deal with the thugs.
Sorry, he can deal with
Thugs.
thugs.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the meaning of thugs?
What do you mean by thug? दरोडेखोर रहते ना क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग उसको? थग को क्या बोलेंगे आप लोग?
डाकू बोल सकते हैं.
लुटेरे.
डाकू इतने बड़े लेवल की नहीं रहते वैसे वो ठग लोग. ठग मतलब ही नहीं.
चलते
Pickpocket.
फिरते लूटने वाले ने क्या?
अपने पुणे की भाषा में उसको बोलते भामटे.
Mm.
भामटे मतलब ही नहीं ऐसे चोर भामटे रहते ना एकदम मैडम.
Yes, sir.
लफंगा, लोफर.
थग्स
छपरी.
कैंसिल करेंगे, पायरेट्स लगा दो वहां पे फिर.
हा.
समझ में आ रही है?
Nice. Continue, ma'am.
He exaggerated that he could deal with thugs.
Next.
He can come on time.
He said he could come on time.
Give sentence to Farhad.
I shall give my stationery to her.
Pardon?
I shall give my stationery to her.
She said that she could give me stationery of her.
She could give her stationery to her. Next. Give a sentence to Amir.
We will conduct a guest lecture.
Pardon?
We will conduct a guest lecture.
He said that
They would conduct a guest lecture.
they would conduct.
A guest lecture. Amir bhai, practice बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Give a sentence to Adnan. Faster.
I can play a guitar.
What? I can
Play a guitar.
play a guitar. He mentioned he could play guitar.
Can you please give me some sentences with may?
May I go?
Yes.
May I go to the college?
He mentioned may
He asked.
he asked may he go to college.
Might he go to college?
Might he go to college?
Next.
I may fly.
He said that he might fly.
Next.
You should come on time.
He said that you. So she used should, right?
That is I'm watching.
So I'll use your should only, right?
Obviously.
So, but is it allowed to use should in direct speech, or we have to use the first form only of modal auxiliary verb?
It doesn't matter, but you can use the same as well. If she has said only should in direct speech, so you can use that should in direct
He
speech.
said that
as well.
you should come on time.
Correct.
Okay.
Actually, if she's saying like this in direct speech, so you can just put it that same sentence into indirect speech, no problem at all.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you might say there he will, she shall.
Yes, sir.
Instead of
She
using
shall
should.
come on time. Okay,
Correct.
sir.
Continue.
I may help her despite of her being rude to me.
Pardon?
I may help her despite of her being rude to me.
She told me
She might.
she might destroy, na?
She might help her
She might help her for
Despite of being rude
in despite of being rude to me. So in despite of rude to her.
to her. Okay.
Next.
He do his house chores in Sunday.
Repeat.
He do his house chores in Sunday.
What's the mistake?
So can
Guys,
Does.
what's the mistake? Correct, does. Yes?
He does.
Yeah,
Yes,
he
sir.
does.
He does. सर आप एक बार
He does his house chores on Sunday. She said
house.
he did house chores.
She said
She said
he did house chores.
house chores on Sunday. Next.
And I may go to Paris.
Next.
He said he might go to Paris.
Very good. Can you please give me good sentences with shall?
I shall come tomorrow.
He mentioned he should come tomorrow.
Good.
Uh,
Next.
he will नहीं, will के साथ बोल सकते हैं?
Yeah.
He will dig the earth to collect soil samples.
He said that he would dig the earth to take the soil samples.
Next.
You shall have to do it.
Is she correct?
You will have to do it.
Good.
Can she repeat the sentence?
You will have
You
to do
will.
it.
She said that you would have to do it.
Correct.
Can we say she encouraged me? She will have to do it.
Yeah, we can say. We can say. Absolutely. Yes, continue, please.
I shall ignore cock and bulls.
Very good.
She told me she will.
Would.
She should ignore. She would ignore cock and bulls.
She should ignore cock and bulls. Sorry. Yes, continue.
We shall reject your project.
Shakir. Sorry. Amir.
Yes sir. सर मुझे इनका समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है बोल क्या रहे हैं आप एक बार रिपीट कर दो सर.
Madam, repeat once again.
We shall reject your project.
We shall reject your project. She said that she did reject my project.
She would reject.
She would. Okay sir.
पहली बात तो मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट आप सभी लोगों से, प्लीज आप लोग अगर सुपारी गुटखा गोवा विमल वगैरह खा रहे होंगे तो उसको थूक दो प्लीज, और फिर बात करना स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है? प्लीज विमल थूको, क्योंकि अपन अजय देवगन नहीं है. ऑलराइट, विमल थूको एंड देन प्लीज स्पीक अप. थोड़ा क्लियरली बोलिए, सामने वाले को समझ में आना चाहिए. प्लीज स्टार्ट.
ये what is the meaning of 4 second?
For second.
हाँ, उसका meaning.
Yeah. What do you mean by for second? Forsake का थर्ड फॉर्म है वो. Forsake.
नहीं, पर अपन क्या मतलब क्या निकलता है ये बात का?
कहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं आप, उसके हिसाब से यूज करेंगे हम लोग उसको. Forsake मतलब यानी हम लोग आगे की तलाश करना उसको.
अच्छा, आगे की तलाश.
कहाँ पे यूज किया आपने उसको?
नहीं, बस ऐसा ही वर्ब था तो उसका मीनिंग जानना था.
Okay. Continue. Yeah, Mr. Amir, can you please give to Mr. Adnan faster?
I shall call you.
Very good. मुझे लग रहा है आप लोग बहुत बड़े ढिल्ले हैं, जल्दी
He
बना नहीं रहे.
He mentioned he should call me.
He should call me. Okay, now I'll be giving you some direct speech and you have to make indirect speech of it. Okay? Good.
Okay.
I can bite the hand which is feeding.
He said he could fight
Bite the hands
which is
feeding.
feeding.
Correct.
Okay.
इसको बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में आस्तीन का सांप.
आस्तीन का सांप.
हाँ, ये हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में ऐसा बोलते हैं इसको. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. I can bring home the bacon, Mr. Shakir. I can bring home the bacon.
He told that he could bring the bacon. Bring in the bacon.
Bring home the bacon.
Bring home the bacon.
Very good. I can exaggerate my products, Miss Sania.
He said that he could exaggerate his product.
Yes, Miss Shreya. I can handle myself.
He mentioned that he can handle himself.
Good. He could handle himself.
Sorry, he could handle himself.
Yeah. Both are correct, by the way. But you can say
Okay.
can will become could. Miss Farhad. I can dig my own grave.
Ansar sir said he could bring
Dig his own grave.
bring his own grave. Means
मैडम
पक्का बात.
मैडम सुनो ना जुम्मा मुबारक पर वो प्लीज वो खाना भी ना छोड़ो यहाँ पे ध्यान दो प्लीज ओके नेक्स्ट वन मिस्टर आमिर
Yes, sir.
I can call him.
He said that he
Good.
could call him.
Very good. Once again, Adnan.
Yes, sir.
I shall abandon him.
Ansar sir said he should abandon him.
Mr. Shakir. I shall operate my computer.
He said that he should operate his computer.
Miss Sania. I shall deal with many companies.
He was saying that he could deal with many companies.
Correct. Or he should deal with many companies. He said should deal with many companies. Miss Shreya. I can capsize from the matter.
He commented he could capsize from the matter.
Nice. Miss Farhat. He shall move on. Strong sentence दे रहा हूँ मैम मैं. He shall move on.
He told me he was move on. He should move on.
Very good. चलो जल्दी. Mr. Amir. Shall.
Yes, sir.
They shall not pass. अपना फाइल का सेंटेंस है. They shall not pass.
He said that
He warned that
he want that
they should
they
not
should
pass.
not pass.
Very good. Okay, will तो हम लोग को पता है, ये बचपन से ही पता है हम लोगों को. Will, may, do. Okay. Look. Okay, look में इतना मजा नहीं आ रहा है. I ponder over the eternal mystery. Adnan. I ponder over the eternal mystery.
He said, I ponder over the eternal mystery.
Repeat once again.
He said, I ponder. Sir, आपका sentence क्या था?
I pondered means what? He said he pondered over the eternal mystery. क्या दोस्त थोड़ा हाई लेवल का सेंटेंस दिया तो आप घबरा जा रहे हैं यार.
सर घबराना नहीं, वो सर कॉपी पेस्ट का था ना, आपने बोले थे कर सकते हैं, तो फिर मैं वो कर रहा था.
I ponder over the eternal mystery.
He said, I ponder over the eternal mystery. ये तो बोला मैंने.
हाँ तो he, अब वहां पे हम लोग बोल सकते हैं he amazed that he pondered over the eternal mystery. सिंपल सा सेंटेंस है दोस्त. चलो.
सर
He
उसका मीनिंग
amazed.
क्या है?
He was amazed. So he amazed. यार ये गूगल कभी कभी बहुत गुस्सा दिलाता है मुझे. Yes. हाँ, इसका मीनिंग ये है कि मैं नेचर के ख्यालात के बियॉन्ड जाकर उनके बारे में गौर फिक्र करूंगा. थोड़ा मैजिकल पोएट्री में चले गया था जरा मैं. चलो, तुम्हारे पांचवें भाभी याद आ रहे थे मेरे को. चलो ना, if you see, sorry, Mr. Shakir. I summon every now and then. I summon him every now and then.
He said that he summoned him every now and then.
Okay. He summons him every now and then. यहाँ पे वर्ब जो है वैसे रहेगा. It will become summons because every now and then ये थोड़ा सा रूटीन में आ रहा है. Next one, Miss Sania. She feels herself contented.
He was saying that she feels herself conduct. Sir, what you said?
Contented.
Contented. Okay.
Very good.
Contented.
ये she said और she was saying में क्या डिफरेंस आएगा? ये दोनों बोल सकते हैं या मतलब
चलता
कैसे?
है दोनों भी चलता है. Okay, Miss Shreya. A good sentence was there. He amalgamates with every company.
He tweeted that he amalgamates with every company.
Very nice, impressive, huh? Good, Miss Farhat. She ill-treats me.
He described she
Ill-treated.
ill-treated him.
Very nice. Next, Amir bhai.
Yes, sir.
She misbehaved her husband.
She said that.
अरे he said that. अरे औरत बना रहे आप मेरे को.
Sorry, sir. He said that she misbehaved her husband.
Her husband. Next, Adnan. Now I will take this one now. Okay? Now, and you have to make it with then. Now I'm walking on the air.
He agreed. Then he walking on the air.
In the air. Sorry, in the air.
वही तो
Agreed
बोला.
के साथ में मजा नहीं आ रहा है यार. He exaggerated, or
Yeah, me.
he amazed, or he wondered, or he exclaimed that he walked in the air then. He walked in the air then. Now का then हो जाएगा. Yes, Mr. Shakir. I'm in the bed of roses now.
He told that he's in the bed of roses then.
Correct. He was in the bed of roses then. Past, you know. Then. Good. Miss Sania. I'm in misery now.
He told that he was in misery now.
Then.
Next, Miss Shreya. Now, I would not pull up my socks. Now, I would not pull up my socks. Or I will not pull up my socks. Yeah.
He exclaimed that he would not pull up his socks then.
Good. Amazing. Miss Farhat. Now, I will sue her.
He amazed me, and then he will
Sue her.
sue her.
क्या बात है, ये बहुत जबरदस्त सेंटेंस लगा मुझे मैम. Sentence of the day. The way she has made that indirect speech, it was really amazing. Loved it, madam. Mr. Amir.
Yes, sir.
Next, yeah. Now I can criticize every poem.
He said that he criticized every poem then.
He could criticize every poem then. All right, now we are going to go. Anything else would you like me to make you for? Anything else? और कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं आप लोग? Okay, I want to give you some good sentences. Then I want to see how good could you make it indirect speech. Okay, like for example, no parking. Correct? जैसे कि मैंने कुछ यहाँ पर दिया था. Don't park here. Don't smoke. Like this. I want to give you some sentences. So you have to make it indirect speech. Like for example. Yes, Adnan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, shut up.
It was wondered. Shut up. To shut up.
तो फेंकने का कुछ भी है क्या? कुछ तो है क्या लिमिट?
He said.
I said shut up. So he
He said
angered. We can say he angered, or he expressed his anger to shut my mouth. ऐसा आएगा वो.
So can we say he asked
expressed.
me to be silent?
Correct. ये बहुत ज्यादा बेचारी श्रेया मैडम बेचारी पहले से बहुत ज्यादा पोलाइट नेचर की. So she speaks, very politely, and she gives in a very positive way every sentence. That's really good. I really liked about you. So, मैडम इतने अच्छे बच्चे नहीं. टीचर थोड़ी बोलेगी प्लीज बी साइलेंट. टीचर ऐसे नहीं करती. अदनान कैसा था? अपने इधर टीचर ऐसे लेते थे कंपस विंपस. अरे बैठना. हाँ हाँ बैठ रहा उधर बैठ. So it was good. That was very polite, as you have said. It was good. So yes,
Okay.
Adnan, can you please? Now it is really very polite. So you can just put these things, on the social media as well. You are going to have, great followers. I believe so, because this language people are looking for outside.
Actually, I like to be positive. I never like
No,
think
we have
negative
to
in
be.
any manner.
No, we have to be, really. We have to be. This is one of the good thing that you can just spread with the people. See, at the beginning of the lecture, I was telling the same thing. Whatever you
Yes,
have the
sir.
good quality, and everyone has. लोग बोलते मेरे पास क्या है? अड़े एड़े तेरे पास दिमाग तो है ना. So you have to use it. Now, for example, that Shreya, she is trying to use every sentence in a positive way. Are you getting that? That positive thing, that positive attitude will help people to build up their positivity. Everyone doesn't have this quality. Remember this. So हर एक के पास में कुछ ना कुछ है. Good. Really impressive. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Adnan. Very good. Adnan,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Answer me, please. Shut up.
He angered that I used to be shut up.
I must be quiet.
I must be quiet. Okay.
Good. Okay, Mr. Shakir. Please move on.
Hmm. He mentioned.
मेंशन नहीं किया मैंने भाई.
क्या कर रही
ब्रेकअप सेंटेंस है वो. क्या कर रहे हैं आप? दिल टूटे ऐसा बोल रहा है आपको. जरा आप जाके आपके दोस्त को बता रहे सोहेल यार क्या बोली उन्होंने. प्लीज मूव ऑन.
He advised to move on.
Good. Okay. Next, Miss
मेरे लिए चाहिए था
San.
सेंटेंस.
मिलेगा आपको. इनसे जबरदस्त देने वाला मुझे. Miss Sania, please have a look.
He ordered me to have a look.
Okay. What else?
He
He
advised me to have a look.
Very good. He advised me to have a look.
requested.
He requested me to have a look. Very
He
good. He
commanded
requested.
to.
Very good. He commanded me to have a look. Very good. और भाई और किसी का है कुछ? बहुत अच्छा बना रहे. Now interesting. Good. Interesting. Okay. Next for Miss Shreya. Please don't come late.
He expressed me to not be late tomorrow.
Very good. Or to not be late next time.
Okay, next time.
Yeah, good. That will be much more better. Anything else? Don't come late.
कंप्लेंट. ही कंप्लेंट मी. ऐसा हो सकता है.
Okay. Pretty
He
negative.
told me. He
Okay.
told me.
नहीं मैडम. अभी said
He
और told नहीं
mentioned
चलेगा
me.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
He mentioned me not to be late.
Very good. But I don't want told, said and mentioned anymore. Okay.
Ordered.
Advised me.
Okay. Very good. Advised me, ordered me. Okay. देख सकते हैं आप लोग कौन से लेवल तक जाकर सीखते हैं, कौन से लेवल तक जाकर आप लोग बोल सकते हैं. Next,
Sarcasted me.
Akash.
He sarcasted me.
Yeah. He sarcasted me. Yeah. He sarcasted me not to be late again.
Exaggerate.
मैं बोला आकाश कहाँ से आया अभी. So now next one for Miss Farhat. अभी आपको कैसे बोलूं मैडम ये. Okay. I need more time.
He replied me. He needs more time.
Or
He needs more time.
okay, or he needs more time, or he needed more time. Yes, who else can convert it into I need more time, please?
He
Very
requested.
good.
He need more
Very
time.
good. Very good. He requested. He need more time. Yes.
He expressed his feelings. He needs more time.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. दूसरे डायरेक्शन में पहुंच रही मैडम तो. Yes.
He needed more time.
He needed more time. Okay, Mr. Amir, for you.
Yes, sir.
Please leave me alone.
He angered.
Yes. She showed her anger.
She showed her anger
ये उसने बोली थी ना अपने को.
to me. To me आएगा ना sir?
To
Yeah.
leave me.
She showed her anger to put herself in a safe place.
He showed her
Please leave me
anger
alone.
to
Put herself in a safe place, in a safe zone. Nice. उसने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट की कि मैं उसकी जिंदगी से निकल जाऊं. आहा, और मैं उसकी जिंदगी और बर्बाद ना करूं. चलो, next one. Anything else? Would like to give me anything else?
He claimed. She claimed
To leave her alone.
to leave her alone.
Very good.
Recommended me to leave her alone.
She recommended me to leave her alone.
He announced.
Okay. Okay. Not exactly what.
He
He
Shakir bhai,
replied,
say something.
He
Shakir
wanted
bhai, the experienced man, say something.
He spoke that leave me
Okay.
alone.
Okay. Simple.
he
he
wanted
replied,
to leave her alone.
Okay. So the next one is what? Don't follow me again. Don't follow me again.
he requested,
He claimed.
don't follow her. He
रिक्वेस्ट नहीं होती
requested,
ऐसे मैडम ऐसे रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करते और
He
खास करके
ordered.
अपने इधर की तो. शाकिर भाई बताओ जरा, रिक्वेस्ट होती है.
he shouting,
Do not follow me.
Okay.
he,
She shouted not to
He
follow.
angered on me to
She
not to
angered.
follow.
She
He claimed
angered.
not to follow.
Yes.
He claimed not to follow.
Okay. Or
Mentioned.
anything else? She mentioned. Okay.
She announced.
Recommend.
Okay. Announced.
He
Announcement
barked
नहीं
on
होता
me,
यार
don't
ये.
follow him. He barked on me, don't follow him.
She barked not to follow. Oh my god. Okay. The ball is in your court. Yes, the ball is in your court.
He advised.
Okay.
He advised me to the ball is in my court.
Very good. Or
He mentioned.
he mentioned. Yeah. Here it is suitable. Yes, the ball
he
is in your court.
described,
भाई पहले
he
ध्यान दो,
described,
पहले ध्यान दो, कुछ भी फेंकने से पहले ध्यान दो. ये सेंटेंस का मतलब क्या है? The ball is in your court.
वही
मतलब
तो
क्या
मैं
है
पूछ
इसका?
रहा हूँ सर.
डिसीजन आपके हाथ में है.
हाँ, अब डिसीजन आपके हाथ में है. The ball is in your
Is in
court.
your court.
ये हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश है. न्यू बैच स्टार्ट हुआ है. जिसको आना है शाम में आ जाओ. 7:15. The ball is in your court. What do you mean by this? फैसला अब आपके हाथ में है.
Yes, sir.
अब आप क्या करते? द बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट. फैसला अब आपके हाथ में है. जहां पना, आलम पना, शान पना आपके हाथ. सो ही क्या बोलेंगे? द बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट.
He mentioned.
ही मेंशन्ड. और
He claimed.
रिपीट वंस अगेन.
He claimed.
ही
He warned.
क्लेम्ड. वेरी गुड.
He commented.
He warned. He commented. Very nice. He warned. He commented. Yes.
He admit.
He admit. Not exactly. कोई सामने वाला हम लोग को बोल रहा है. अब फैसला आपके हाथ में है.
Asked.
He
No.
asked. शाकिर भाई आप नहीं बोलेंगे कुछ भी.
एम्फसाइज आ सकता है यहाँ पे.
वेरी गुड. आ सकता क्या नहीं हो, डायरेक्ट बोलने का बीच में घुस के. अपन आजाद भारत के अपन ये है, नागरिक है. यस. Very good. Very good. Miss Shreya.
Sir, he narrated.
Very good. He narrated. Means she is taking it from the book way. Correct. The narrator narrated that the ball is in your court, और he narrated, उसने उसके बारे में बताया. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा. These are the things which are going
Remind me
to make
that
you an
ball
author.
is in your court.
Repeat, madam. Repeat.
He remind me that ball
Correct.
is in your court.
He reminded me. Very good, girl. Very good. He
He's
reminded me. Or
frankly said. आ सकता सर.
yeah. Okay.
Frankly said.
Okay. Anything else?
He announced.
Announcement कैसा आएगा मेरे दोस्त?
Okay.
Announcement मतलब यानी
Commanded.
ऐलान करना. He
Yes.
commanded.
He
Okay. It is
Sir, he
okay.
summarized by
Sir, if we
saying,
say
Very nice. He summarized the ball is in your court. उसने आखिर में यही बोला कि जो भी कुछ है सारी बात मुझे तो इतना पता है कि अभी फैसला आपके हाथ में है. Very nice. He summarized. Yeah, ma'am. Miss
sir, we
Sania.
can also say he had said.
Obviously, ma'am. क्यों नहीं बोल सकते? बोल सकते हैं. टेंस चेंज करना है हम लोग को. वो अपने ऊपर ही है. कौन सा टेंस आप लोग चिपका रहे हैं वहाँ पर? Okay. Yes.
he criticized by saying,
Okay. He criticized. Wow. Very good. उसने criticize किया. देख के ले फिर तू तेरे हाथ में चाबी क्या करना है कर तू. सुन रहा नहीं मेरी बात? Very good. Yeah.
He replied.
He replied. Okay. हाँ जैसे कि भी आपने उसको मैसेज किया कि अभी क्या करूं, मेरा अब्बा तो मान रहे नहीं, मेरे अम्मी भी मान रहे नहीं. देखो फिर the ball is in your court. अभी आपके she replied that the ball is in my court. Continue.
He highlighted that.
Oh, very nice. He highlighted. Now you people are getting good, huh? And Mr. Amir is not getting good here. He is not giving me even a single answer. Neither Amir nor Farhad. Yes? Okay. I want to give you some more. For example, you
So inquired.
no. You add insult to injury. Indirect speech, please offer this one. You add insult to injury. मतलब यानी आप बहुत बुरा काम करते हैं. You add insult to injury. Yeah.
He angered.
Okay. He showed his anger.
he sarcastic.
He sarcastic. Very good. ये चिड़ से बोला हुआ सेंटेंस है. ये एकदम तू हमेशा भड़काता है मेरे बाप को. अच्छा दे रहे थे 5 रुपए तूने आके क्या?
He described my personality.
हाँ. Oh my God. He described my personality. उसने मेरे को मेरी असलियत बताया कि मैं कितने अंगार लगा था. How funny it is. Good. Yeah, continue.
He showed him cheapness.
He showed the cheapness. क्या करते हैं यार आप
Can we
लोग?
use threaten?
He threatened. Oh, उसने धमकी दिया. Oh, तुझ करता हूँ, तुझ करता है सर. Wow. Liked it. Shakir bhai, say something.
He tolerated.
Oh, very nice. He tolerated that you तुझ भड़काती है मेरे अब्बा को. फिर भी संभल के लेता मैं. अभी क्या है, गलती करा मैंने. Continue. All right, so I believe that you people are very good with it. Now let's go
Can we
with rule
use
number 4.
urge?
Pardon?
Urge.
Yeah, we can say he urged. All right, guys. Now today we are going to have here rule number 4. And that rule number 4 is saying that time will change too. As we know well, this one now will become then. So the time will change too. For example, here, tomorrow will become the next day, the following day. According to our common sense, for example, pay attention. Tomorrow is a holiday. ये मैंने कब बोला आपको? अभी बोला. अभी बोला, सच बोल रहा हूँ, tomorrow is a holiday, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mubashir is absent over here. Mubashir is absent over here. And you are talking to Mubashir today itself. You are going to say to Mubashir, oh, he said that the next day is a holiday. Or he said that tomorrow is a holiday. कल छुट्टी है. भाई किसी को दुखड़ा है इसके साथ में?
No, sir.
No.
Good. अब मिल
टुडे
रहे
नहीं
हैं
बोल
आप.
सकते क्या सर?
जी सर.
टुडे नहीं बोल सकते, जैसे मैं आज मुबशिर को बोलूंगा कि सर ने कल बोला था आज छुट्टी है। अच्छा ओके।
अब मुबशिर भाई को आप मिले कल, जो कि छुट्टी वाला दिन है, सैटरडे. मुबशिर भाई बोले, अरे यार मेरा कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है मेरा. तो अरे उसको आप बोल सकते हैं, he said that the following day is a
Holiday.
हॉलीडे।
the following day is a holiday. Is that clear? Is that clear?
मतलब कल के दिन पे बोल रहे तो फॉलोइंग डे.
तो फिर ऑब्वियसली छुट्टी वाला दिन चल रहा है ना. द फॉलोइंग डे, जो डे फॉलो चल रहा है, he said that the following day is a holiday. आज
जिस
का
डे
दिन
को हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं वो डे हॉलीडे है।
अच्छा.
हाँ, ऐसा होता.
Today is holiday. No, sir. कल मिल रहे.
समझे दोस्त? हाँ, मंडे बोला तो देखो ट्यूसडे क्या बोल रहा है वो. और वो बोल सकता है he said that today is a holiday. उन्होंने बोला कि आज छुट्टी, so today भी बोल सकते हैं, या तो फिर the following day भी बोल सकते
Following day.
हैं. और
हॉलीडे थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है।
और सुनो देवी और सजनों, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. और अगर आप लोग उनको 1-2 साल के बाद में मिल रहे, 1 हफ्ते के बाद में मिल रहे, बाद में कभी भी मिल रहे हैं आप लोग, तो आप बोले अरे यार वो सैटरडे दिन कर्नाटक नहीं हो रहा था मेरा, तो आप बोलोगे he said that the next day is a holiday. He said on Friday. उन्होंने फ्राइडे के दिन बोला था the next day is a holiday. अगला दिन जो रहेगा वो छुट्टी वाला दिन रहेगा, वो अगला कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो आप ये कभी बाद में बोल रहे होंगे तो ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. समझ में आया? Are you getting that?
Yes, sir. Connect actually
Any doubts?
Sir, इसको repeat कर सकते हो आप एक बार?
ये वाला?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. अब आप कभी उनको बाद में मिल रहे हैं, कभी और कभी किसी दिन मिल रहे हैं 50-60 साल के बाद में, तो आप बोलेंगे अरे यार वो सैटरडे दिन कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था मेरा, तो आप बोल सकते हैं अरे on Friday he said that the next day is a holiday. अगले दिन हम छुट्टी रहेंगी, तो अगले दिन था ही नहीं ना क्लास, तो आप कनेक्ट कहाँ से कर रहे थे? So this is what exactly you can say the next day. Next one, I will teach you grammar tomorrow. So tomorrow will become the next day, the following day. ये मैंने बोला मंडे के दिन. I will teach you grammar tomorrow. He said that he would teach us grammar. इतना तो ध्यान में रखना है, will become would. He said that he would teach us grammar the following day. ये ट्यूसडे के दिन की बात चल रही है. He said that he would teach us grammar the next day. अगले दिन पढ़ाने वाले हैं. And he said that he would teach us grammar today. आज अपने को ग्रामर पढ़ाने वाले बोले सर ने. मालूम क्या? देखो आप लेक्चर से पहले की बात कर रहे हैं, समझा?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Next one, yesterday. अब yesterday का क्या बनना है भाई? Previous day, the previous day or the day before?
Dave.
The previous day or the day before today. So the day before yesterday ऐसे आप लोग बोल सकते हैं. The previous day. I went to the market yesterday. मैंने आपको कब बोला ये? आज बोला, समझो. I went to the market yesterday. तो आप अपने दोस्त को जब मिलेंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे?
He said
He
that.
said that he went to the market yesterday. अगर आप आज में मिल रहे हैं उसको, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? अरे उसने क्या बोला उनके, कल वो मार्केट गया था. He said that he went to the market yesterday. और you know, तू मिला था ना वो सर से पिछले महीने, क्या बात हुई थी? अरे nothing यार, he was just talking about his story that he went to the market the previous day. जिस दिन हम मिले थे ना, तो उसके एक दिन पहले वो मार्केट गए थे. Yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ, he went to the market the previous day. Okay? और yeah, he said that he went to the market the day before we met. The day before we met. जब हम लोग मिले ना, उसके एक दिन पहले वो गए थे, उस दिन के पहले गए थे वो लोग मार्केट. समझा?
Yes, sir.
Make sentences please with the time. Tomorrow and yesterday. Tomorrow and yesterday. Tomorrow and yesterday. Yes.
Will not come tomorrow.
आप इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बनाओ, क्योंकि बाकी कोई नहीं बनाने वाला.
He said that. he would not come tomorrow.
Okay, or
He
Hmm.
would
He would
come next day.
not
the next
come
day.
the next day.
Correct.
He would not
Next.
come following day.
Very good. Next, jaldi come, jaldi
I'll
change.
go to market.
The market. I'll
I'll
go to
go
the
to the
market.
market. He said that he would go to the market.
Tomorrow, yesterday तो खा गया.
अरे हाँ. Go to the market tomorrow. He said that he would go to the market tomorrow, the next day.
Very good. Next one.
I saw Mary yesterday. She said she had been married the day before.
See, saw कहाँ गया? She said she had seen Mary the day before. Next. Next.
She was feeling very upset yesterday. She said that she was feeling very upset the previous day.
Or she expressed her sympathy that she was feeling very upset the day before. She
Okay,
was
sir.
expressing her pittiness, or she was expressing her sympathy. Yeah, continue.
She elaborate this topic tomorrow. She told
She
me.
will
She told us
elaborate. She will
she will
elaborate this topic
elaborate
tomorrow.
this. She will
Topics
elaborate
tomorrow.
this topic tomorrow. She told me. She told us she will elaborate this topic following day.
Next. She would be बोल सकती मैम आप. Next one.
I shall call you later.
Tomorrow and yesterday.
Later. I shall call you tomorrow.
Hmm.
He said he should call me today.
Today. Okay. Okay, what can we say for this one? I shall call you later. What could be the indirect speech? Miss Shreya?
He said that
Hmm. He should.
He answered me that
Replied. He replied.
Hmm. Hmm.
He mentioned
he
Hmm.
expressed me that he would call me after some time.
Correct. After some time. The later will become after some time. Very good. Continue. Yes.
it rain tomorrow. She said that it might rain tomorrow.
Correct. Or
We are going
she
to
said that
swim
it might
tomorrow.
rain the next day. Yes, Amir.
We are going to swim tomorrow. He
We
said
are going to
they
swim tomorrow.
were. He said they were going to swim the next day. सही है सर.
क्या कहने. They were past का फिर tomorrow फिर future में दो टेंस एक साथ कैसे लिए बच्चों मैंने. Past में plus future.
सेंटेंस क्या है सर? We are going to swim tomorrow.
कैसे अपन रजनीकांत एकदम you. Past से plus future. दोस्त wrong हो गया वो.
We are going to swim tomorrow. कैसा बोलेंगे सर?
Correct. We are going to swim tomorrow. He said that he is
said
going to
that-
swim the next day. Or he said that he's going to swim today. He said that he's going to swim the following day.
We are वहाँ पे. We का day होगा ना सर.
So they are
They
going to. So they are going to swim today. They are going to swim the next day. They are going to swim the following day.
I'll
Yes.
have party tomorrow.
I'll have a party tomorrow.
I'll have a party tomorrow. I would have a party next day.
Okay.
From tomorrow, our exams are starting. She said that their exams are starting the day after today.
Very good. Very good.
I feel under the cloud yesterday.
I felt under the cloud yesterday.
I felt under the cloud yesterday.
Yeah.
He said he felt under the cloud day before.
Correct. Yes.
I
I'll
saw
meet my
I saw
friend
him today.
tomorrow.
I saw him today. Okay.
She said that she had seen him that day.
Good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Miss Farhad.
बात यही आएगा ना सर वहाँ पे कि
He went.
आमिर भाई ने बोल दिया शेक्सपियर भी नहीं माना तो उसे कत्ल कर देंगे अपन.
I went to the seminar yesterday. He told me that he went to the seminar previous day.
Very good. जज़ाकल्लाह शुक्रिया. शाकिर भाई.
I watched a movie yesterday. He said that he watched a movie the day before or a
Very
previous.
good. Very good. Adnan's.
He'll come tomorrow.
Very good. He'll come tomorrow.
He'll come tomorrow. He said that
He promised me
he promised me he'll come
he would come the next
He-
day.
the next day or the
He would
following
come today. He would come the
Following.
following day. Very good. Sania madam, Tufani sentence please.
She will not do your work.
Very good.
She
The tomorrow yesterday कहाँ है?
she will not do your work tomorrow.
हाँ.
So she said she provoked me that she
Very
would
good.
do my work tomorrow.
Very nice. Miss Shreya.
I may meet my colleague. I may meet colleague tomorrow.
Very
She
good.
said that she might meet her colleague the next day.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Miss Shreya wanted to
I
ask you
will-
one more thing. Madam,
sir.
चुप बैठो जरा 2 minute. Yeah. Do you want a holiday on Monday?
Sir, if I get that would be really great.
No, no. We are going to respect you, and as we respect all the religions and festivals, and also you are going to get a holiday. Not only you, the whole class will get a holiday on Monday. Okay, guys. Monday is a holiday
Okay.
because
Sure,
see,
thank you.
yeah, because all the other batches have given the holiday on Monday, so don't worry about it. On Monday you'll be getting a holiday,
Okay, sir.
and don't worry, holiday को ऐसे नहीं जाने देंगे. We'll give extra lecture for this one as well. Okay?
He said that Monday is a holiday.
Yeah, very good, very good. डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच अभी नस नस में उतर रही है अभी हमारे.
अभी
गुड गुड.
She
अच्छा लग
request-
रहा है understand. Yeah.
She requested
Okay. To give a holiday on Monday.
on Monday.
अरे she requested नहीं. I mentioned it already. बेचारी मैडम को काय को रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए लगाएंगे. No, it is सबका हक है ये. आजादी. चलो.
Azad.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ. So word power, we are going to have here good word power as you can see here. As जैसे कि देखो मैंने अभी यहाँ पर कुछ दिया हूँ, उसके जरिए आप लोगों को सेंटेंसेस बनाना है. Rule number 5, the most important rule over here, one of my favorites. यहाँ से आप लोगों को समझ में आता है कि आप लोग को बोलना क्या है. For example, I request you please go from here. अब वो ऐसा आमिर भाई को बोल रही है. I request you please go from here. तो अभी आमिर भाई क्या बोलेंगे? मैं तो नहीं जाऊंगा. तो वहां पे हम लोग बोल सकते, शाकिर भाई उधर बोल सकते, she begged आमिर to
Go.
leave from there. Okay? ऐसे हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. वहां पे मैडम रिक्वेस्ट कर रही तो हम लोग उसको गिरा कर कितना बोल सकते हैं? और she begged, उसने भीख मांगी, आमिर चले जाओ. So she begged, we can say like this. Okay? So किसी का रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस है, so we can just give a sentence. Now for example, please give me his address. Please give me his address. अब मैं किसी दोस्त को बोल रहा हूँ कि प्लीज मुझे उसका एड्रेस दीजिए ना. So he asked me to give his address. Okay? Next one, command के लिए क्या बोल सकते हैं हम लोग? Ordered, want, told. Command कर रहा है कोई. For example, you have to practice at home. Oh, he ordered me to practice at home. Or he wanted me to practice at home. Or he told me to practice at home. कोई क्वेश्चन कर रहा है तो उसके लिए क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? क्वेश्चन के लिए we can say asked, inquired. For example, when is the next train to Zurich? He inquired about the next train to Zurich. Okay? Next one. If we are going to use there if as well for question. देखो शाकिर भाई pay attention. Question के लिए आ रहा है वहाँ पे if. ऐसे क्यों आया था? आप कल पूछे थे ना. It is a simple. Yeah. See, it is what I'm asking for the question. For example, may I leave now please? So he asked that if he could leave now, क्या वो जा सकता है अगर उसको इजाजत मिले तो अगर मतलब है नहीं if, so क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ अभी? प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, आप जबरदस्ती मेरे को पकाओ मत. So this is what, yes.
Can I use that and if together?
तो इसका सेंटेंस में
Yeah.
इसको करो एक जरा.
Yes sir, may might.
बताता हूँ आगे, पहले इसको तो कंप्लीट करने दो मेरे को.
इफ का
Yeah,
एग्जांपल सेंटेंस में.
देता हूँ. Next one,
Fools.
whether you do or die, I won't grant the permission. Okay, whether you do or die, मैं weather के ऊपर sentence बना रहा हूँ. Whether you do or die, I won't grant you the permission. So for whether, we are going to use this here. Yes, whether means what? If. She said, if I do or die, she doesn't care. So this is what, if I can use whether instead of using whether. Same. Next one, yes and no. Yes or no. ऐसे कुछ negative positive sentence के लिए क्या लगेगा? For example, would like to come with me. So you can use there. She asked whether I come with her. Or she asked if I have some time to come with her. So yes or no वाला जो सवाल होएगा, मतलब जिसके अंदर हम किसी को पूछ रहे हैं हाँ या ना. So whether or if we can use over there. And for also we can use that even as well as we can use that advised, wondered as well. For example, I'm also a student. Ah, really? Oh my god! आप वहां पर बोल सकते हैं he wondered, चौंक गया वो, that वो भी student. He wondered that he's a student too. Or as well we can use there. For example, I'm also from Pune College. Oh my god, really? He wondered that he's from Pune College as well. वो भी Pune College से ही है. So this is what even. I also have been there. मैं भी वहां पर जाकर आ चुका हूँ. I also have been there. Oh, he amazed, or he wondered, or he mentioned that he even has been there. ये भी वहां पर जाकर आ चुका. Even he has been there. Okay, अब ध्यान दीजिए, मैं आप लोग को इससे सेंटेंस कुछ बता रहा हूँ from my side. Can you turn on the fan please? It is a request sentence. Can you turn on the fan please? अभी जैसे कि भाई बहन में होता है ना, फैन चालू करना, please 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 please. So we can say he requested that I turn on the fan. He requested that I turn on the fan, or he begged me. भीख मांग पहले भीख मांग नहीं भीख मांग के दिखा पहले. हाँ please बंद करना. So he requested or he begged to turn on the fan. हाई लेवल के सेंटेंस में सेंटेंस आप लोग ऐसा बना सकते हैं, ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. He begged to turn on the fan. वहां पर दैट बिट लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिंपल ऐसे भी सेंटेंस अगर बोलेंगे तो भी चल जाएगा. मीन्स व्हाट, अल्टीमेटली यू आर गोइंग टू मेक अ सेंटेंस एट अ हायर लेवल. ही बेग्ड टू टर्न ऑन द फैन, और ही बेग्ड मी. अगर आप लोग क्लियरली बोलना है, ही बेग्ड मी, उसने मेरे से भीख मांगा था. ओ माय गॉड, ही बेग्ड मी टू टर्न ऑन द फैन. नेक्स्ट वन, सो बेग्ड वी कैन यूज देयर. अब जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई आपके पास में अभी जैसे कि किसी को आप लोग तड़पा के मार रहे हैं, तो आप वो टाइम पे बोल सकते हैं. अभी जैसे कि आमिर भाई के पास में आए उसके अब्बा, बोल रहे प्लीज लीव माय डॉटर अलोन, तो आमिर भाई बोल सकते हैं ही बेग्ड मी टू सेव द डॉटर्स लाइफ. अपने बेटी की जान की भीख मांगा उसने मेरे से. क्या पिक्चर का डायलॉग है, सुपर. प्लीज गिव मी सम टाइम, सॉरी प्लीज गिव मी सम मनी. क्या भिखारी सेंटेंस है ये. He begged me for some money. दिख रहा है?
Yes sir.
He begged me for some money. So you can say indirectly like this. He begged me, please give me some money. ऐसे ही बोल सकते हो बच्चे चाले करके आप लोग, जैसे हम लोगों ने पहले बोलते हैं. Next one. May I know your name please? He asked that might he know my name please? Or he might know my name please. Okay? Shakir bhai, we can say that he might know my name please, my name. Or he questioned me about my name. ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं. Or he asked my name. Simple. ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं. He asked my name. समझा? शॉर्टकट फटाफट में ऐसे ही फेंक सकते हैं आप लोग. फेंकना मतलब ये करेक्ट है. He asked my name. Simple. Can you please tell me your name? He said that. Can you please tell me your name? ये बच्चे चले हो गए. He can say directly. He asked my name. Next, don't park your bike here. Don't park your bike here. It was prohibited to park the bike there. Okay? It was prohibited to park the bike. Here will become there. The college warned not to park the bike. The college warned not to park the bike. Good. Next, shoot the enemy. Shoot the enemy. किसने बोला ये? कर्नल बोल रहा है. It was ordered to shoot the enemy. Order दिया गया था हमें enemy को उड़ाने का, shoot करने का. The colonel ordered the military to shoot the enemy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Next one. I am also from Pune. She wondered if he was from Pune. She wondered if he was from Pune. तो उसने क्या की? वो ये सोच रही थी, oh my god, आप भी पुणे से हैं, तो उसने उसको बोली that I am also from Pune. So she wondered that she's from Pune. She replied she's from Pune too. I know Shazia also. मैं शाजिया को भी जानता हूँ. हाँ, पुणे तो बहन है मेरी. She is amazed that Bushra knows Shazia well. वो शाजिया को भी जानती है. वो शॉक हो गई. Oh my God, क्या आप शाजिया को भी जानते हैं? क्या आप बुशरा को भी जानते हैं? Next one, favorite sentence. Get lost, भैया. She kicked him to move off. Any doubts? Any doubts? Next one. You also join the gym. He advised me to join the gym as well. Also की जगह पे यहाँ पे लगा सकते हैं. He advised me to join the gym as well. बोल सकते हैं. Will you work with me? देखो वहां पर सेंटेंस को ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. Will you work with me? He offered me to work with him. He offered me to work with him. Next. अदनान का सेंटेंस आया अभी. Will you marry me? He proposed to marry me. Okay? ऐसा वो लड़की बोल रही है उसकी सहेली को. आया था अदनान ऐसा झूलते झालते, बोल रहा था BCS कर रहा मैं, देखो तुमको अभी क्या करने का क्या नहीं. मैं बोली प्रैक्टिकल निकाल क्या पहले. So he proposed me to marry. Next, don't smoke here. शाकिर भाई के लिए. Don't smoke here. It was warned not to smoke there. It was forbidden not to smoke there. It was prohibited to smoke there. मना किया गया था. Okay? I have cynophobia. मुझे कुत्तों से डर लगता है. ऐसा उसने बोला. I have cynophobia. Oh my God. She mentioned that she has cynophobia or she had cynophobia. She revealed. उसने अपना एक्सप्रेस किया. उसने एक पर्दाफाश कर दिया. Revealed. उसने अपनी सीक्रेट बता दी. She revealed that she has cynophobia of college. Pune College. Pune College के कुत्तों से डर लगता है उसको. Next, she exposed that she has cynophobia. She confirmed. हाँ मैडम ने confirm किया है कि हाँ मैडम को सच में कुत्तों से डर लगता है. So she confirmed that she has cynophobia.
अगर ये had करेंगे इसको अपन she had, तो ऐसा नहीं हो रहा कि उसको था पहले.
हाँ तो अभी अपने सामने नहीं है ना वो, इसके लिए. और अपने सामने अगर बैठी हुई है तो या फिर अगर
लेकिन कंटिन्यू चालू
चलता ना, क्या कुछ प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी है. अरे उसने क्या बोली मालूम, क्या उसको साइनोफोबिया था मालूम. हाँ क्या अभी भी है क्या? हाँ अभी भी है, बोल सकते हैं.
या अभी भी है, वो आगे आने वाली बात थी, ये नहीं मालूम था मेरे को.
बनमस का. चलो चलो अदनान, गलत काम करने वाले आदमी. आई लव योर सिस्टर. ही एक्सप्रेस्ड हिज लव टुवर्ड्स मी. और उसने फिर बुक के खा लिया उधर ही इतने में, जैसे उसने बोला फट के खा लिया उसने उधर ही. कैन, हैव टू, मे बी लगा सकते हैं. आई गो टू स्कूल. ही सेड दैट ही गोज टू स्कूल. शी वेंट टू स्कूल. ओके, ये सब अपने काम की चीज नहीं है. ये क्या था क्या से? हाँ ये कल बताया था ना आपको.
सॉन्ग मुगले आजम
देखे थे क्या जाके कोई इसने? कितने लोगों ने जाकर देखा ऐसा?
ये सर.
देखे ना.
यस सर. अमेजिंग.
सोचो कि वो एक सॉन्ग बनाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा था. Oh my God. All right, by the way, let's go. So, this is what exactly here. We are going to continue this on Monday. All right. I want you to practice this at home again and again. This, especially the fifth rule, because this is one of the most important thing. And from Monday we are going to have another new topic after finishing this one. So
So from
अब मैं ये
Tuesday,
सोच रहा हूँ,
right?
yeah, sorry, Tuesday. Monday is a holiday.
Okay.
Sorry, Tuesday. So we are going to start a new topic. So please याद से absent रहो तो आपको जल्दी जल्दी आती सारी रहेंगी चीजें. याद से absent रहो, याद से बहाने बनाते रहो, मैं नहीं कर रहा, मैं ये कर रहा, मैं वो कर रहा था. So we'll see you on Tuesday. Please take care, and Miss Shreya, from my side and from the whole class as well, that
Thank you,
you
sir.
have happy Diwali to you in advance. Take care and enjoy yourself.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right. See you. Cheerio.
Sir,
See, yeah, ma'am.
sir, can you explain those words which I texted you?
Can you please text again? Yeah, it is here. So explain these words. Live, alive. Sleep, asleep. Awake, wake, awake. Oh, madam, sab same hai. These all are the same. All are the same. Nothing, no difference between them. कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं है. ये वही है जो आपने पहले पूछा था ना मुझे. सेम क्वेश्चन है. It is the same. It
So
is the
like
same.
round
Yeah,
around.
I'm just, yeah, it is the same. Yeah, that explain these words. Live and alive. Now live is different and alive is different. How it is different, I'll show you here. Just have a look. Now what is live and what is alive? Live means what? To stay somewhere. Correct? To stay constantly. That is what live. I live in Pune. So I live in Pune. Simple thing is there, right? And alive is what? Zinda. Zinda. It is like an adjective. It is an adjective. Live is what? A verb. And alive is what? An adjective. For example, he is still alive. वो अभी भी जिंदा है. Yes. Next one. Sleep, asleep. Asleep मतलब नींद में. And sleep मतलब in सोना. Again, sleep is what? Verb. Sleep is a verb. For example, I sleep at night. Verb है. I sleep at night. Next one.
Sleeping or I asleep? So what is the difference?
Pardon.
I'm sleeping or I asleep? I'm asleep.
बता तो रहा हूँ मैडम, ध्यान दीजिए ना. I sleep at night. This is a verb. And asleep is an adjective. Asleep is an adjective. अब adjective का मतलब क्या होता है? Quality. For example, I am good. बराबर मैम? Good is an adjective, right?
Yes.
मैडम नहीं बोल रही, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है. मैडम.
Sir, am I audible?
Madam. Yeah, madam. Now you
Hello.
are audible. Yeah, madam. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I sleep at night. Very good. Asleep as an adjective. I am good. Good हटा के मैं दूसरा लगा रहा हूँ. I am asleep. मैं सोया हुआ हूँ. मैं नींद में हूँ. So that's what I am asleep. Asleep is an adjective. All right, ma'am. मैडम समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Very good, girl. Wake and awake. Again, wake is what? Wake is
Verb.
what? Correct. Wake is a verb. Wake is a verb. It is a verb. For example, I wake up at 5:30. Correct? I wake up at 5:30. मैं उठता हूँ. Next one. And awake is what?
I'm awake.
Same collocation same ma'am ये.
Sir,
It
if
is
we
an
use
adjective.
that
Yes, ma'am. Repeat once again.
woken, then
Pardon?
sir, woken, the third form of wake.
Awoken. As I've told you before as well, that the third form of a verb is an adjective as well.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I am awake, adjective. Next.
Sir, if we use woken in place of awake, so
Absolutely, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ma'am. It is correct. The third form of verb is also an adjective. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For
So
example,
what
wait.
will be
Wait
the
is
first
what?
form of awake?
Awake is the first form only. Awake, awoke, awoken. Awake,
Sir,
awoke,
so
awoken.
awake, if it's verb, then how can we use awake as an adjective because it's the first form, right? And we are using I am awake.
Sorry.
He
I'm
should
really
use I
sorry. मैं
am
confused हो गया.
awoken, right?
No. Awoken.
The,
Awoken also is an
yeah, that's
adjective.
it.
Awake is acting like a verb as well.
But sir, this will be
Awaking.
the first form of the verb, right? So we
Yeah.
can't use it. Right?
No. So this is what awake is an adjective as well and verb as well. So awoken, I'm awoken, or we can say I'm awake. Awake is an adjective first of all. See, I'll show you from the dictionary directly. Awake is what? Awake is verb. Awake is an adjective. Are you seeing there? So we
Yes.
are using here awake for an adjective. Okay? And wake up, it is what? Awake. Let me tell you one more thing. Last time that I showed that madam again. मैंने कुछ बताया था मैम को पहले. Yeah, around and round, correct? Both are the same, right?
Yes,
It
sir.
is the same case. It is the same case that awake and wake both are the same. There is no difference between them. Cross and across both are the same. Same case, wake and awake. So we can say I am awake. It is also correct. But if we are using it as an adjective, I sing here adjective awake. Awake is a
Yes,
verb
sir.
and awake is an adjective as well. So I am using it as an adjective. It is also correct. It is also
Wake and
correct.
both are the verb. So where to
Yeah.
use wake? So sir, where to use it?
What exactly are you asking?
Where can we use wake and where can we use awake?
It doesn't matter, madam. Both are the same. As you want, so you can use it anywhere. No problem at all. See, wake is what? Verb. Simply. It is not an adjective. I'll show you here. Wake. Wake is completely a verb. Are you seeing there?
Yes, sir.
It is the main verb. It is not an adjective. But awake is verb as well as adjective. So you can use it. We can use wake only for the verbs as a verb. Only as a verb, not an adjective. And awake we can use for verb and for adjective as well.
Okay.
Now wait is what? Verb. Wait is what? Verb. For example, please wait for me. मेरे लिए रुको. Okay? And await is what? Await is
Adjective.
what? Adjective. Correct. Await is an adjective. For example, I am await since 9 p.m. 9 बजे से मैं इंतजार में हूँ. So I am await. We can say like this. Or I have been waiting. देखो ले नहीं रहा है वो. So it is an adjective. Await. She's await.
Third form of wake we can't use it as adjective.
What? Wait.
Third
Waited.
form of wake, sir.
Wake.
Yes, sir. Can
What
we
is the
use
third form of this? Waken.
waken?
Wake, woke, woken. Yeah, we can use an adjective. No problem at all. Who said this one?
Like I am woken up.
I'm woken. We can say I am woken. We can say like this. Who said this one? Third form of a verb is always an adjective. Always remember if you are using it then.
We can use awake or woken. Both are correct.
Both are correct. Now let me tell you one more thing. For example, if we see here, what do you mean by can and what do you mean by could? Have they got any sort of differences between them?
No.
No, sir.
What do you mean by may and what do you mean by might? Nothing. We can use it anywhere. We are using all the 4 words for possibility and permission. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Simple. बात ही खलास हो जाती है वहाँ पे. So this is what exactly. Never mind these things. Adjectives and nouns का matter होता है. बाकी कुछ भी नहीं. Okay, guys. So please keep on practicing at home. And if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. We'll see you on Tuesday. Happy weekends. Cheerio.
Happy weekend, sir. Cheerio.
Thank you.